Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a reminder with high importance using the reminders application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the reminders application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the reminders application. Press enter to open that up. And now what we can do is go to the top right corner, click on the plus sign. Let's just create a reminder. Let's just say upload a video to Instagram. Let's just say this is for tomorrow, so this will be moved to the scheduled section. Let's go to the scheduled section, go to upload a video to IG, right click, priority, very high. So what this will mean is, let's just say we have a couple of reminders. We will look to have this completed first. You could argue if that was the case, we will need to have this completed in line with all these other reminders, and maybe we'll push the date further closer to time. So we can now quit reminders. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.